Welcome back to Sweet Cherry Grace. So in my last video, I made a cherry slime. And it had like cherries in it, and it was super sparkly. And I put it in a really cute container with like a cherry sticker. And so hop on over to my slime station, and today we're gonna be making Pom Pom Slime. Okay, so let me put my cherry slime away. Okay. So the stuff you'll need for this slime is some clear glue, like yesterday, and some iridescent glitter, normal activator magical liquid, and some glitter pom-poms, and a pan. Okay, so today the slime's going to be kind of different because I'm going to need to make the slime and then put the pom-poms. So the first thing I'm going to need is some Elmer's glue, and let me pour that in. So I think you guys are pretty clear about this if you've seen like all of my other videos. You always need to take it off from the white part. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is like my clearest batch I've ever had. This is unbelievable, guys. This is super clear. When it was coming out, oh my gosh, it was so clear. Like, this is amazing. Takes a long time. Okay, come on. Oh. I'm just gonna have it keep coming out. Oh, it's really getting out. Woo! Okay, so now you are going to need, you don't have to add iridescent glitter, but I'm gonna be adding some gold iridescent glitter. So let's add this in. Just all at once. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool, guys. Do you use iridescent glitter on a cake? Oh. But I know there is iridescent cake glitter, right? Okay, so there is iridescent cake glitter. I don't even know if that's what it's called. Oh my gosh. Whoa, it's so sparkly. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure it didn't take that long to mix, so I think I can add some activator now. So let's start that. Okay, so now you'll need some activator, and you should have mixed in all your iridescent glitter. That's what I did in my last video. I always somehow manage. Can I just pour this on? I wonder if that would actually complete it. But I feel like in all of my videos, I somehow just like drop something in the slime. Ew. Oh my god. Okay. So I need to get these sides. I wonder if I could like touch it. Oh, it's almost done. That was really quick. I put the whole bottle, so now I'm gonna need some more magical liquid. Oh, it's on my hands. it is sticky. It just...
You need to get it out of the pan too.
Yeah.
I don't think you need any more.
At least I have more glue. I can touch it. I knew it. I can touch it. I'm pretty sure I can touch it. I think. Okay. Well, it got activated, or not activated way too much, but I am still activating it. So let me get this stuff off of it. Oh, it's activating. Guys, it is activating. Whenever it acts like this, that means it's activating. So let me grab all of this other glue so the glue can activate with it. Ah! Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. It didn't get that clear, but it got like kind of like tannish. It's not as skin slime. It's not as like, what is it? Like, yeah, it's not as gold as I thought it would be. And it's not as clear as I thought it would be. Like my mom said, it's like skin.
Get the rest of the glue in the other pan.
Okay.
Doesn't need more activator.
Just a tiny drop. Just okay. And then I'm going to be adding more glue so that can work. Okay. So now I'm going to be using the pan. So let's get all of this. Ah! Okay. That worked pretty nice. Need to get this glue off of the stick. It's like Nutella on the stick. Instead, glue on the stick. Oh no, it's sticking to the pan. Oh. Ah! This is a slime mess. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need activator. That got really messy. Can I just put it on the pan?
Mm-hmm. Just the top.
Sorry. Oh, it's getting everywhere. It's so sticky. Okay, it is kind of working a little bit, barely, sort of, I think. Ah! Okay. So I'm pretty sure it is ready for some pom-poms. So let's add those. Let's add some pom-poms, yo. Now we are going to be adding pom-poms. Okay, so I'm gonna spread out my slime. All right. So we're having a little bubble right here. Pop, die. Oh, it did die. Let me put a badge right here. They're everywhere, guys. Oh, they fell. I'll pick those up later. Oh my gosh, did this work? I kind of feel like we should have done the glue and put them in and then the activator, because this just got a lot weird. It's jiggly! Guys, this is so cool. It kind of color changed. Like the purple is really saying, hello! The purple is really like color changing it. See it? And then like the spots where that color is, it really shows that color. Like it kind of changed itself. Ooh, see, there's a highlight. Oh my gosh. You can't really see it on camera, but you can totally see it in real life. Not in person. Oh no. That never happened. Okay. Woo! Like when you feel it, it's like, what is that? And then you're like, it's so soft. And then you're like, it's so nice. Guys, this is amazing slime. It feels so nice. Okay, so now I'm going to add some cotton candy scent. And I'm only gonna put 4 drops because if I put too much drops, it would be way too strong. So I'm gonna be really careful. I am going to spread it out. One. 2. 3. And 4. Okay. Oh my gosh, this smells like a num num. It smells like a num num. It had no scent at first, but now it's exploded with cotton candy. So now I'm going to be now I'm going to be putting it into a container. So I'm going to be putting it into a container. I was going to use this container yesterday, but it wasn't big enough, so I had to use this. Or I had to use another one. So I'm using this for this one. This. This container really doesn't work for any slime, but I will keep it for this one because, yeah. Okay, so just kidding. I actually had to change containers again. So I keep on changing containers. So like my last one, it says thank you cherry much. And thank you cherry much too. I guess I just said that twice. So yeah, so I changed containers again. And I'm going to name this probably Pink Pom Pom because it kind of turned pink, you know? So that's what I'm going to be naming it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to be working on other slimes right now. Thank you cherry much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, and we'll probably also be making a new slime, so I'll see you around. Bye!